is the start of it. Heading to New Zealand for a 1000k loop of the South Island. It's 6 a.m. now. Bags checked in. Nervous about the bike getting there in one piece. Well, I'm here before my plane got here, so I think I'm early enough. I was going to be doing this with Johnny, but unfortunately last week he ruptured his ACL, so he is out. So now I'm doing it solo. Yesterday was stressful. Just got my bike in my bike bag and all my gear underweight, just between my carry-on and bike bag. I don't think I packed too much though. It's just stuff that I needed. We'll see by the end of the trip if there's anything I haven't used. Got up at 3 to get here. Super early. Off to do a solo loop around New Zealand. Starting in Queenstown, 1000k loop. Finishing in Queenstown.
See you, plane. Made it. Now to find my bag. You come at a very good time.
Moment of truth. Did the bike kit here in one piece. First wheel was good. 2 wheels. Need enough. So far, so good. Our bike is together and we're looking around. Checking out Queenstown. I need to find a bike shop because my front disc just got a little bit bent in transit. Queenstown has turned on some weather for me. Got in last night, wandered around, a few beers, and yeah, coffee this morning. And today I'm heading off to Mount Cook, get picked up in about an hour to start my bikepacking trip, which should be awesome. There she is, Mount Cook up there, first view, on our way in. And tomorrow I'll be riding down this side of the lake. Before the riding starts tomorrow, we got to do this walk. Going into Hooker Lake, 6.5 k's each way, to Mount Cook, to the base of Mount Cook. So, let's go. There's Mount Cook. It's about as close as I can get. This trail's sensational. A little bit longer than what I thought. From the village up to where I walked which was a little bit further because I wanted to get a little bit of footage of the glacier. It's going to be about 16 and a half. I'm a rider. I don't walk 16 and a half meters. So anyway, it's getting on. The sun's starting to go down a bit. It's about 5:30. I'll probably get back at about 6:30. That's all right. Plenty of time for a beer. It's happening. First K of 1,000. I've got a little bit of time. It's going to ride up here. The official start. Let's go. Day one's ride. I've left Mount Cook. It's about 7 k's down to where I am now, which is Mount Cook Airfield. Because part of the Alps to Ocean Trail, we have to get on a helicopter and go over to that side of the lake onto a dirt road, and then I'm down to Lake Tekapo, which is about 75 k's from here, so about a bit over 80 for the day. Two-thirds the way through day one, and I gotta be honest, I feel like shit. I think there were 16k walk. That's a great walk. And the day before I start a 1000k loop. I don't know if that was a good choice, but on top of that, yesterday I had just a bit of smoked salmon I picked up from the salmon farm and crackers for lunch. Then did the 16k walk. When I got back, couldn't really get dinner. I could get a cheese platter. So I got a cheese platter and a few beers for dinner, and then there was nowhere for breakfast. Oh man, I'm hoping tomorrow feels better, because today's a struggle. Oh, another salmon farm. Finally. Yeah. Lake Tekapo. Start of day 2, and today I'm heading from Lake Tekapo, which is where I am now, to Twizel, which is not far in a straight line, but I'm going a roundabout way, send a few things, so it should be about 90 k's. Last night, decent amount of food last night, good meal, big breakfast this morning. Bit of breeze, I don't know, I think it's going to be a cross headwind. Lathered up the sunscreen because there is just no trees and you're just riding in the sun all day. Slight false start, Got to put the lip balm on. Dry and loose. How loose this is. Oh, that headwind. It's been a bit shit. But the view's unreal. This is the highest point of today's ride. And we're only 17 k's in. I think we've got 10 k's of downhill now. Well, Mount Cook is a bit clouded in today. That's weird. Aussie rock. Section width. No loose rock, finally. Magical. Just past a guy on a recumbent. I don't know where he's coming from, but if he's coming from Mount Cook, that's impressive. Under the track. It is hot. It's just, you never get any relief from shade, with shade. There's just no trees. But could be worse. Could be raining. Alright, come on, guy. You don't want to be hugging the turns and brushing past the foliage when you're on these, because the foliage looks like this. The first shade in 2 days. Whoa! I stopped in the visitor centre because I thought, sweet, get a Coke, get a muffin or something. Cash only. What the? Anyway, going to push on to Twizel, another 10 k's, and I'll stop for some lunch there. My head went earlier. Slight tailwind now. She's flat. Making good ground. Definitely time for a dip. That sun's really shining off that white skin of mine. Oh fuck. Oh yeah. It's not hot. It's definitely not hot. Kids have got wetsuits on. I think there's a good reason for that. I think you've got to do it. Oh, fuck. Oh, it's good and cold all at the same time. Swim done. It was glorious. So nice. Now I've just got to find my accommodation in Twizel. I think it's only about 2 k's. Ready to go. Another cracking day. Oh, I've checked out of my Twizel hotel. Now it's time to get some food. 95 k's down to Marama today via the White Clay Cliffs I'm going to go to. And it's not a town, not a shop, nothing. So I'm going to get loaded on the snacks. And a big breakfast. Let's see what we can find. Last night. And we're off. I could have taken a nice bitumen canal trail. Instead I thought, I'm on a gravel bike. I gotta get the gravel in. And I don't know, sometimes I regret that because it is pretty chunky. 15 k's of this, is going to be rough. It's not getting less chunky. That's for sure. Oh, left to right, left to right. I reckon right looks better. First push of the trip. Back onto the Ocean Trail. Oh man, so smooth. Oh yeah. That way. Headwind again. Look at that windsock. It's busted. It's so windy. Another couple of Ks. And then I'm turning and going south. Another frisbee golf. They're everywhere. I feel like we need more in Australia. Let's go. So far today has been pretty awesome. And I'm on to my first proper climb of the whole trip. So I just got a notification that climb started. I got 400 vertical over the next 7.5 Ks. From 600 meters above sea level, what I am now, up to about 1,000. With a tailwind. I reckon that'll be good.
Birthday shout out to all our people. Plus video. So if you like video.
Looks like we're on gravel road. We'll see if it stays gravel road. Sweet tailwind, baby! Yeah! Good time. Oh, just let that go. G'day. Hey, good. Saw that girl. Oh, I can't remember when. Lady there. Not girl, lady. Worth the trip. Clave Cliff's pretty good. But I am a bit cooked. Time to head into town, I think. I think it'll be looser. This is a saviour, just in the middle of the paddocks. Drinks, even an ice cream. made it into Marama. Probably butchered that, but stopped at the pub, have a pint first, then I'll go have a shower. Great day on the bike. Probably the roughest day I've ever had on a bike actually, but it was the best day I've had so far. The views, the tracks, despite being rough, sensational. So I've got back to my accommodation and open up my bag here, and what the frickin' hell is all of this? Fuck, I've been there's full of powder in here. I think these are going to be the culprit. Oh my god. I got to show you this. These are supposed to be like big tablets. Now they're just these little busted up, with like they've been river rocks and been rounded off. And that's just what's ended up in my bag.